हाय गाइस, आज हम पढ़ेंगे इंडियन ज्योग्राफी मोस्ट रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन। ये एसएससी एग्ज़ाम, एनटीपीसी, रेलवे, सीजीएल, एमटीएस हर जगह पूछे गए हैं। तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन सीरीज़। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से शुरू करेंगे हम। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन इंडिया? इंडिया में सबसे लंबी रिवर कौन सी है? ब्रह्मपुत्र, इंडस, गोदावरी, गंगा। टेल मी द आंसर. Correct answer is Ganga. Question number 2 says, where is the southernmost point of Peninsula India, Kanyakumari, located in the relations to the equator? North of the equator. Correct answer. Which of the following mountain range forms the northern boundaries of India? Himalaya is the correct answer. Question 4, what is the name of the largest desert in India? So Thar desert is the correct answer. Question 5, which India state has the longest coastline? So Gujarat is the correct answer. Question 6, in which India state in the Sundarbans delta located? Kerala is the correct answer. West Bengal is the correct answer. Which lake in India is the largest freshwater lake? So Wular Lake is the correct answer. What is the Yarlung Zongbo rivers known as in India? Brahmaputra. Which of the following is the most fertile regions of India? The Indo-Gangetic Plain, which is option C is correct option. That is the most fertile region in India. Question number 10 is, which India state is known as Spice Garden of India? Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Kerala is the correct answer. What is the highest peak in the Western Ghat? Highest peak in the Western Ghat is Annamudi. Which river is also known as Dakshin Ganga? So Godavari is known as Dakshin Ganga. Question number 13. What is the most longest length of India coastal including the Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island? Correct answer is B, 7,516.6 kilometers. Question number 14. What are the oldest mountain range in India? So Aravalli is the correct answer for this. That is the oldest, most oldest. Which of the following passes connected Srinagar to Lah? So Gozila connected. Question 16. What is the coastal plain between Koleru and Pulicat Lake known as? So Andhra Plain. Which type of soil is the most widespread in the northern plains of India? Alluvial soil is the correct answer. The plague streak separates India from which country? So that is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Question 19th. Which state of India is the land of five river? Land of five river is Punjab. 20. On which river is Bhakra Nangal Dam of Bullet? Satluj is the correct answer. Which of the following is the highest peak in the Aravalli range? Guru Shikhar is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Guru Shikhar. Guru Shikhar. Where is the only active volcano in India? Bali Island situated. So that island is situated in Andaman Island. What is the bird doab means? Doab means land between two rivers. Option B. 24th question. Which range is the most rich and coal deposit in India? So coal deposit in India is Damodar Valley. Where is the Nanda Devi peak located? That is located in Uttarakhand. Which of the following cities is located in the bank of river Yamuna? Lucknow, Varanasi, Delhi, Kolkata. From these, the river is located back of river Yamuna is Delhi. Which of the largest state in India by the area? Rajasthan. Largest area state. Question 28. Where is the High Court of Geologic Survey of India located? So that is Kolkata. What pass connected India to Tibet? Shipki La. Option B. Now 13th question says, what is the approx time difference between the easternmost and westernmost point of India? That is 2 hour. 2 hour option C is correct. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channels. चैनल पे मोटिवेशन वीडियोस भी हैं.